hate that thing so much.
Someone stack camps with this fuckboy. Make him happy.
I can't take back yet.
Get a Morbid Mask and AFK jungle.
I can't. I'll die.
You'll die if you have a Morbid Mask. You will not die if you have a
I
Morbid
will.
Mask.
Robbie, how late are you gonna be up?
Probably not much later, but I'll talk to you. Well, I mean, actually, I'm gonna have to get off of my computer and get in bed, but I'll be
Yeah.
up.
Wait,
I'll stay up as long as you do.
DK.
Yo, Leif, I'm gonna go ward. Be careful.
Boy.
Can I get a heal before you go?
Fucking love it. Thanks for the burst.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my
Space.
Skype chat.
Okay. You want to FaceTime?
Yeah.
All right.
Not.
Oh yeah, good job. Good job, Dragon Knight. Really gonna do all the damage in the world.
What the hell is that guy doing? You're dead though.
Someone buy me TP.
How didn't you bottle?
I couldn't. The lethal damage of Poison Stinger from DK.
Thank you, whoever.
That was me. Go in, boy.
Why do you get 3 levels of nature guys and not 3 levels of living armor?
Okay.
Just close your eyes and don't worry.
I mean, it is better.
He's gonna be talking to Adley. He's not gonna be playing the game.
I'll be playing the game.
Robbie gets mad when you criticize the decisions.
No, you don't. There's nothing to criticize because I'm still playing completely fine. Probably better than you.
Probably, but you're still playing at least a third of your normal capacity.
It hurts me.
I don't really care because I'm talking to Natalie.
Yeah,
Right.
well, you shouldn't start a game if you know you're going to talk to her.
I don't have to talk to her. Just do because I want.
But it's more important.
I like it when you do that to the second creep in the wave.
I need
I
more
wanna-
living armor up here.
Why would I do it on the first?
So you don't waste the surge.
Robbie, give him living armor.
He's busy swallowing it.
Thank you.
Too busy what?
Swallowing it.
You know, she's what are you doing? Oh, don't go in. Don't go in. Dawson?
It'll be worth it.
Yeah. Okay.
That Ion Shell, dude.
Your top tower is under attack.
Questionable.
Very questionable.
I just got rocked. What the fuck?
We will rock you, boom. Quick ult, Marana.
Can I have living armor, please?
Damn it.
Did you have your ult?
I just used it. Like I leveled up and used it. And then he hit me. It got like one shot off.
Your middle tower is being attacked.
That would have been useful.
I might need help. Mid?
Your middle tower is under siege.
Oh yeah, Jack, he gets 4 levels or 3 levels in living and miniatures guys because he likes to roam. He doesn't stay in lane.
Can I get... Okay, so he can have it like whatever infinitely at level 1.
Well, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, you
Its
can't.
duration is 15 and the cooldown's 10. So it makes no sense.
At level 1 duration.
It's
still,
clearly
it's so
better.
much more mana though.
Doesn't matter. Your
change
mana
the
cost
mana.
is so low.
Jack, let's go in the jungle.
Okay, hold on.
Awesome. Please,
Leif,
man.
you want mana?
Oh, I'm good. Come on, let's go.
There
There we go, this. Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
We'll be able to do it.
Sakura's stacking this.
And it'll be worth it. Really.
No self-care.
Damn. Can I please get this? Okay. Dang
No, we
it.
need kills on the Shrek.
I'm a carry too.
I'm a lot scarier. of a
But
character.
since he has, like, it comes down to the CS, like,
Well then take that.
it would, kind of be wasteful.
Is there a rune? Let me get it.
Thank you for the heal, Robbie.
Thank you for swallowing it, Robbie.
You get thanks for the living armor. You don't get thanks for the nature shard.
Jack, shut the fuck up.
I don't even care. I'm just not responding to that.
Don't kill that one.
Gripping, isn't it?
Also, don't forget to swallow.
Good vacuum. Thanks.
Cut my own toenail off once.
How dare you not twice, though.
Enjoy.
You talk to your mom about it,
Surge.
you know?
Okay, I
That's what
gave my
it
creep
is.
at the Ancients, gave unit control for you guys.
This is really good.
Oh, what ancients? There's not one ancients. Oh, it's in-
Our ancients.
Yeah, it wasn't there yet.
He was sending it there.
Yeah.
Robbie. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm way too low.
Dragon Knight's coming, I think.
What line?
Top.
That's not good. God, that heals.
Oh no, he's going bottom.
Thank you for the heals, Robbie. It's awesome.
Let's go solo him. Let's go get the solo ult off, dude. You have your ult, don't you?
Yes.
Wait,
Probably would have been better on me.
probably. That was terrible. Let's get out of here. Run. The other way.
Good ice path, Jack Rio.
You killed Robbie, what do you mean? That's fine.
Yeah, the fade time, they killed me before it.
Oh. I didn't even see there.
Your middle
There's one of that.
tower is under attack.
Oh, good kill, Dawson. Thanks, Ancho.
I tried. I don't know why you're so salty this game, dude.
Your middle tower is under siege.
Watch out for Kira, he's right there.
I dropped for swallowing it, it's right there. They got our courier.
How? Why?
He's
Kidding.
lying.
I love how I said I'm kidding, he said he's lying. That just shows assault levels. Good night, little Lacey. Good night, baby Ghost Scout.
Oh, there's Slar. That's an illusion.
Surge! Surge!
Nope.
Okay.
Reposition it.
You may not.
Jesus Christ. I can't do anything. It's so annoying.
Maneuvering.
Oh,
Shit.
crap.
That
Surge?
wasn't even a good ammo.
Oh, you're out, dude. GG.
Deploying.
Killing
Wish we could kill him, Leif.
We can't. We have no chance of doing
Yeah, I
anything.
know. I wish we could.
This bucket of boat still has a few surprises in her.
So I'm just gonna safe farm against him.
Turn it back.
Yeah. I don't think I need to be here.
Got my bearings.
No.
Out back.
Yeah.
Fire.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Have you not seen this?
Don't let that be one more thing that stresses you out.
What?
Your
What?
bottom
Just a fuck
tower is
over it.
under attack.
Diverting.
Dire structures have been fortified.
Watch this, are you ready?
Radiant structures have been fortified. Your bottom tower has been destroyed.
Let me review my mind so you don't have to really push me.
I think they're planning on pushing bottom now. Or mid, I'm sorry.
Roger.
Hitler did nothing wrong.
I need help. I need help.
I don't have TP in my inventory.
Maneuvering.
Rob, use that iron shell matrix guys combo.
Killing spree.
Give me a kill, Robbie.
Bloodstone deny?
What?
Bloodstone?
Your middle tower is being attacked.
Not yet. All
Get
ships
lost.
Good
Your
job,
middle
Wade.
tower is under
I
attack.
don't know how you got him.
Dire has fortified
We're gonna
its
lose mid.
structures.
spit some
Yeah, there's nothing we can do about it.
I mean, it's
now.
tier 1, so it's not a huge deal, but
Your
I
middle
can TP
tower is
in,
being
but
attacked.
I think we can do it if you TP him.
well, I have 13 seconds left.
I dare you to
I like.
Do you have the immortal, Dukes?
Oh, nice. Just keep healing it, Robbie.
Yeah, well.
beat up.
Dukes. Dunkus Dinkus.
What?
You have the immortal?
No. I don't have any of these items. I haven't died yet, so it's Robbie's.
Bangs out. Repositioning.
No rock.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Here, let me engrave a trophy
Oh,
for
cross.
you. Nobody gains.
Oh, unlocked door.
Hey, good old.
It's fine.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Has anyone been stacking the ancients?
Nope.
No.
No, I died.
I don't think
Okay.
that's
That excuses you from not stacking ancients.
Why am I able to control these? Oh god.
I gave it unit control, I said.
Oh, I didn't know. I wasn't listening.
Will you heal me, Rob?
No, I'm
You
healing
should
towers.
probably heal the tower.
I'm healing towers.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, you're pretty low. I mean, you're going back anyways, so.
I wasn't.
Nothing wrong.
Going back now.
Come
I have
on,
a more
I'm glad
advanced.
to greet you.
I'll stack this time. Just to be sure.
Thank you.
Actually, I stacked it once, so it'll be a 3 stack if you stack it again.
I was kind of late there. You loader.
Push out, Slark.
Rotating.
Your middle tower is
I
under
don't have
siege.
room in my inventory. I gotta farm this BKB.
I
Deploying.
didn't stack. I was too late. I did it at like 56. Damn. Sorry.
They really want that mid tower. Holy shit.
Hitler.
Game.
Deed.
The only way to play
Your
the
middle
pub
tower
games
has
is to
been
just relentlessly
destroyed.
push mid.
Nothing wrong.
Got my bearings. Not yet.
Your
Oh,
middle
God.
tower is being attacked.
If I can divert a
Get a
little...
Morbid mask! Said Dawson.
Yep, I can. Look, I made Jakiro turn around. I made it
You're bad if
pounce
you can't do it.
for a creep.
You're dead, dude.
They had...
I'm gonna
They
get
don't
top
have vision,
tower.
They have AoE.
No, they had vision.
If I was
The
Magnus,
enemy's
I'd
top
go
tower
crazy
has
over that.
fallen.
But... Oh, and fishy. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's.
What did he do?
Questionable.
We back into it.
What did he do?
Just
I
ran
put-
into 5 people.
Or
Still, he ran into
Can
a
we kill him? I think we can actually kill him. Like,
I'm not looting.
Hitler. Deed.
they're stealing the stack, so I mean.
Are they?
Your bottom tower is under siege.
I have my BKB and TPs now.
It's too late. That stack's gone.
Damn.
By God, if I don't do some damage with this tornado, though.